Good morning, KG2. Welcome to our English video. Today, we will be reviewing the letter S. The letter S makes the sound S. Can you think of some words that begin with the S sound? Sun. Sun begins with S. Seal. Very good. Seal also begins with S. Spider. Excellent. Snowman. That's right. Snake. Scissors. Star. Very good. These are all words that begin with the letter S. The letter S makes the S sound. Also sandwich and socks. There are lots of words that begin with S. You can think and you can find so many. Now another word that begins with the letter S is the word see. See is our sight word today. Sight words are words that are going to help you read better. The word see is written like this. S-E-E. See. S-E-E. See. Now that we know how to write the letters, the word see, let's try to write it together. We will build it on the blackboard. S E E C. This is how we write the word see. Now let's read the sentence. Can you read the sentence with me? I see the cat. I see the cat. Excellent. Great job. Now let's look for the word see. Can you circle the word see? Okay, let's do it. How many C can you find? Here's one. Can you find any other? 2, 3. Very good. Are there any more? I don't think so. You did a great job. Now let's go to the at word family. At. How about if we play a game? Are you ready to play the game? Let's go.
Make a word with ah.
At. What do you see in the picture? This is a bat. What do we need to put? What is the missing letter? B. Very good. Let's try it. Excellent. Now, the next picture is a picture of a rat. What do you think is the missing letter? Rat. Very good. cat.
Cat. Ruby. You know that. Cat. Hat. Rat.
Now let's read them all together. These are all words that ends with at. At. Bat. Cat. Hat. Rat. Very good. That was excellent. You did some excellent reading today. Now let's see if we can read the words and put them in the right place. Can you read the first word? Yes. Bat. Bat. Let's put it in the right place. Bat. Very good. Now let's read the second word. You try to read it yourself. Hat. Hat. This is the picture of a hat. How about the third word? Rat. Rat. Very good. And the last word? Great job. Cat. 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 Hat. Bat. Rat. Great job. Now let's go and read this story. Can you read the words? I see a cat. I see a cat. Did you notice how the sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop? Very good. Let's see what the cat is doing. It has a hat. It has a hat. Let's read the next page. The cat is on a mat. The cat is on a mat. Did you see how many words ends with at? We learned cat, hat, mat, bat, and rat. Very good. Now let's practice some reading. A, k, n, can, I, in, it, is, it. Do you know what word is this? The. Very good. And our sight word today, see. See. S-E-E. See. You did very good today. Thank you so much, guys. See you next video.